Today's computer application class of class 9 we will go through some different concept of Python. Last 2 days we have gone through what is if, how to write the for, and how to take the input from the user, how to take the integer input, how to take the string input. Today's objectives are: we will understand the concept of the string, understand the concept of the reverse string, and understand the use of the len function. Now, what is a string? A string is a data type used in programming. It contains the set of character, space and number. Now, it will take the number, but with that number you cannot do any mathematical calculations. For example, apple. This is a string. String means consecutive characters. And I ate 3 apples. This is also a string. Apple contains only a set of characters, but I ate 3 apples. It will contain character, space and the number. So what is a string? String is the data type which contains character, space and the number. Now what is the next concept? What is the length of the string? What you will understand if I say the length of the string is 5? What you will understand? Length of the string means number of character, space and digit present in that string. Example, apple. The length of the string is 5. Why? Because the 5 characters are there. The next example, I ate 3 apples. Length is 13. How it will be? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 characters and numbers, and another 3 places. Where are the space? 1, 2, 3. So in total 10 plus 3, what it will be? It will be, the length will be 13. So what is the length of the string? Number of character, number of space and the digit present in that particular string. It is called the length of the string. Now what is the reverse string? To print a string from last to first, it is called the reverse string. Suppose in the example, the original string is apple. Now I have printed in reverse. That reverse is called the reverse string. Now we are going to discuss about some programs. 2 programs are there. The first one, how to find out the length of a string, and second one, how to print the string in reverse. Now the first one, str, we are taking the input in the string with the use of the input function. We know that one. Input function is going to take the input for the string. Now L is a variable. Is equal to, I have written len str. Len, what is the len? Len is a function. What type of function? The work of the len function is to calculate the number of characters, space and the digit present in a string. Now we have not written any programming for the len. From where it will come? Len is the system defined function. System defined function means already when the Python programming has been prepared, the len function has been written over there. Means it is a built-in function. So what len will do? Len will read the string and what are the number of characters or the length of the string that has been stored into the L. Now print L, what it will do? It will print the number of characters, space and the digit present in the string. Now the next one, this simple line, we have taken a string. How will make the string reverse? Print str colon minus 1, double colon minus 1. Minus 1 means it will take that one. Okay, it will take that one in the reverse. The string will be printed in the reverse. Now here I have run the program, entered a string. I have entered apple. Now what happens? See that one. The length of the entered apple has been entered. The length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one, the last one, the word apple has been reversed. Thank you very much.